Hello and welcome to Bad Waldsee in southern Germany, and this vehicle here is the Hymer exsis-i 474. It's not 474 centimeters in length, so I don't know where the number comes from. It is indeed 664 centimeters in length and 222 in width, 277 overall height, and so this one here, 93,175 it costs, 3.5 ton basis, and ready to go. Ha ha ha, I think this is not correct. 3,018 plus 218 because of the extra equipment which has been added on. So in this case, if I have understood this correctly, and I mightn't have done, it's the payload 482 minus 218 because of the extra equipment. There is the extra equipment. It costs 22,685,000. Sorry, I've said that before. 22,685. Sorry, and the most expensive of which is a this thing here, the Fiat Ducato upgrade, okay. Let's have a look inside. 7 meters in length, integrated van with a German layout at the back. In fact, it's not a German layout as such, it is the fixed German layout as far as I can see. Or is it? Is it a German layout having the possibility of extending down here? Well, it's one or the other. So the storage all the way around and light at the back, which is quite nice, and even better if I put some more light on it. And let's have a look what we've got down here. Well, first of all, we see that we've got storage under here. This thing here will open, will lift up. Oh, should lift up. It will lift up. Oh, I'm trying to lift too much. Anyway, I'm not going to try that. I'm going to show you through here, and that is probably what will happen in most cases. That whereas it does lift up, you won't be able to get into it because of the bedclothes on it. But anyway, there you have your wardrobe with a light, and under the light, not under the light, above the light, we've got the thing to hang your clothes from. But there we have the fuse box. Oh, isn't that useful having that inside? Always nice to see. There you go. I'll try. You can't see it goes up. Right, and in the other side, we have a bit more storage there, and in the step. And what could be down here? There's your water. I'll just show you this as well whilst I'm here. I like the way that lights up, that's nice. Okay, right, now washroom. This is a false wall which will open should you want to. You don't have to, but it'll open by moving this thing down here like that. Oh, and I did that with one hand. Oh, wasn't that clever? And that'll go over there. And if you want to have a shower, you can even open this thing up here. That'll open up like that, and it'll give you all this extra space. That looks like paper, actually. It isn't. It isn't. I just said it sort of looked a bit like paper. At least it did to me. It might look like that paper in the film. All right, so I'll push this back, which I can do with one hand. That's no problem. Duckboard down there. Sensible. And let's have a look under it, because this is one of the other features. Well, there's one drainage. There's a drainage hole at each end. Oh, can you see the ones down there? You know, this is something really that two people ought to be doing. And in this case, I've got no excuse, because whereas Caravan Salon refused me the right to take a second person with me, Hymer hasn't. Rather odd that Caravan Salon should refuse me, considering there's plenty of people there who don't publish anything. Anyway, so now I'm in the shower. I haven't used the false wall because I had to have the camera there in front of me. but you can see all this space here to have a shower in, so that's not too bad. And this here wouldn't be here if I was having a shower, because it'd be down there somewhere. This thing here goes up like that. What's the point of that? Yeah, actually comes. Oh yeah, I know what the point of that is. That's for baby changing or something. Which, you know, given the fact that the average motorhome buyer in Germany is 63, I'm sure that's a regular problem. Actually, come to think of it, might be, because they'd be grandparents. So I'll take that. I'll take that little insult back. Oh, hook up. This is brilliant being there. This is the stroke of genius by whoever designed this motorhome. The logical place to have water is in the washroom. Right, you turn your water on here. Nearly every single van I know, including my own, it's up there. So what happens is, if you don't remember to go there first, right, to turn it on, you come into the washroom, got no clothes on, and then you have to run out, and everybody sees you through this wonderful panoramic view up front. So that's brilliant. That was put here by somebody who camps. Right, good. So having said that, let's have a look at more this double floor. There's your grey water. And of course the double floor will help keep the van warm. 3 burners. Yeah. And the sink, same Hymer's been putting in for ages. The storage up there. This started around 20, maybe it was 2020, I can't remember. I can't see the point of it myself. What's this gap here? What's that supposed to be for? Here's the fridge, tower fridge from Thetford, very nice. And these things here, it's nicely finished, but I think the drawers are a bit on the cheap side. Right, coming to the front, obviously one would put the chairs around, and for the bed to come down, the chairs, the captain's chairs, need to be put down like that. You have to have it go up and down, and once they go down, then you bring the bed down. But I can't do that with one hand, so that's why I need 2 people, and here I don't have an excuse, but if caravan salon I do, which is because they won't allow me to take 2 people, as I already mentioned. Right, largish table, not too bad a size table anyway, and this L-shaped sitting group, great. Wonderful large panoramic window. So that's where you keep your video cassettes. I thought people stopped keeping video cassettes. As the average age of the viewer of this channel is over 50, people will remember video cassettes. Television will swing out because it could be a bit of a problem. You wouldn't see what's happening in the top right hand corner. There's a kitchen extension, and there's a place down here to keep whatever you keep down there, magazines or something. $350 kilos will go in here, and I think that is absolutely magnificent, in my opinion. As a hardcore camper, that's great. This is the gas cupboard, which is closed, but I didn't notice any access to it from in there, which would have been nice. And down here, which is also closed, I suspect is for the batteries. big mirrors, which I know are relatively popular with the crowd that builds their own, but the problem with big mirrors is the aerodynamics on it. Right, I just want to come back and have a look at this here. 22,600 of extras. So what else is expensive? For example, satellite digital receiver. Well, you probably do without that. There you are. The what's that in English? Awning. Electric awning is going to come out. The driver comfort package. The living comfort package. The comfort plus package. Okay. One day, and that day will probably never arrive, I may do a video on these extras, but I don't think that day is ever going to come because they change so much. So thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Bad Waldsee, Germany.